Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Ad blockers. We're all using them. Yeah, I know we are, but you know what YouTube's going to do? Or at least what they're testing right now? Blocking ad blockers. So if you use YouTube and you block ads on YouTube, well, you got two options. One, potentially stop blocking ads if YouTube decides to roll this out, and I believe they should because creators are the ones who are very often impacted when you block ads. Or two, pay for it. I've had that option from day one when they rolled out at that time YouTube Red, now it's YouTube Premium. I'm like, for sure, I use YouTube all the time. I hate the algorithm. I don't think it's awesome for creators, like the actual platform itself, but that said, I'm still willing to pay for something because I'm using it. Now, you might be saying, well, Chris, I don't have an extra $10 to spend a month. How am I going to justify that? Well, okay, reallocate budget. Like, I just stopped paying for YouTube TV because that was just pissing away $70 a month on channels that I was never watching, right? None of the family was watching it. So that $70, I'm now able to reallocate to other entertainment options. So reallocate budget. I'm not saying that, it's a perfect scenario, or don't spend the money on YouTube and stop blocking ads. So, I don't think that there's an argument to be made that YouTube should not be doing this or Google should not be doing this because it's their service. It's not yours. And I've said this from day one, it's not YouTube. It's not me tube. It's their tube.